Looking like we are gonna have yet another very fun day over here. I hope you guys are excited. Everybody in LTMP, I mean, this has been, I feel like I keep saying, this has been one of the best weeks in LTMP, and then it just keeps getting better, ladies and gentlemen. We got a lot to talk about here this morning. There's really not a whole lot happening in terms of data. We do obviously have consumer sentiment coming out at 10 a.m. But guys, I've said it before. I will say it again. I am just going to keep handing out the most disgusting trades in the market to everybody. The only question that you need to be asking yourself at this point is how many more of these are you going to miss? Right now, I was talking about this yesterday on the streams with you guys. This is one of the trades from yesterday. Baidu. Absolutely epic move right now in the pre-market here. Anybody with short-dated contracts, guys, this has the potential to be not the first, not the second, but the third over 1,000% trade that I have handed out to you guys this week. There is nothing else like this out in the market. You will never, ever see anything like the results that I am showing you from LTMP anywhere on the internet or anywhere again. This is just, it's so great to see you guys winning like this. It is absolutely awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, would love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the group, also it is public live day for everybody that couldn't tell. If you guys are new to the group, new to the stream, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. It costs you absolutely nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot in spreading this information out to as many people who actually want to learn. Remember, I am the only person that you guys know on social media in the trading and finance space that has been literally demonetized on YouTube for talking about how many 1,000% trades that they hand out to their students. There's only one LTMP, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to keep showing you guys how to actually properly operate in the market and just showing you guys just how to win over and over again. So, again, we have a 200 like goal on the stream. Let's see if we can hit it today. I'd love to. That'd be really awesome. But let's do a little bit of a roll call and start getting into things over here. So let's see who we've got. We have Dawn, Daily, Taylor, Jerry, Michael, Gene, Adrian, Kimberly, Dr. Bob's, Stockbanger, Diego, Romeo, GC, Rogue, Yuki, CI, Julian, AJ, Sven. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Slackers on the like button, but good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, Tessie looking good over here too. This is another one that I gave you guys above this level yesterday. Basically 358 was the entry. Stock's currently trading at almost 371 in the pre-market here. Another good looking name. I really like Coin. It is really close to this breakout level here at around 328.80. But you got about $1.80 before this one could potentially fire off. Bitcoin looks good. Coin's got a nice base to it, so we'll see what happens there. Let's see. It was on the stream, Dev. We talked about that one all the time on the stream. On the private stream. Because there was a little bit of hunting China. Like, there was a, what do you call it? We were looking at China over, like, the last week. And then we talked about Baidu in the morning. And I was like, oh, wow, yeah, that's a good one. So, yeah, that one's looking phenomenal. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a fun one. But, yeah, we have a lot of other potential good ones, too. Elf, Coin. Going into next week is going to be filthy as well. I think we're going to have a lot of really awesome setups. But again, we have to be a little careful going into FOMC, obviously. But guys, I'll say this very quickly here before we kind of get into everything. Remember, the prices for the LTMP group are going to continuously increase. I've told you what they're going to go to. Eventually, the prices for LTMP are going to be $199 a month. If you guys want to lock in the lower rate, again, prices are going to go up like sequentially every month. But the price that you join at is the price that you get locked in at. You're never, ever going to have the price raised on you. If you guys want to hop in, be able to learn how to do this, I've shown you guys this every single day. I'll throw the link in the live chat here very quickly. Use code September. You'll get 50% off your first month. Literally a no-brainer. No-brainer at this point. This could be the third 1,000% trade that I've given out this week. Nobody else is doing this. They just aren't. If they had the ability to, they would. Adobe could be interesting for post earnings. Is it up? Nah, it's not up enough. Adobe's not up enough here for a post earnings move. We got about 11 minutes to go here. There's nothing too crazy happening on the macro front, and there's not really a whole lot of new positions that I'm really all that interested in taking today, except for Coin. Coin looks interesting. We'll see what happens there. I might be able to, I mean, I think it's pretty likely that I'm able to make Baidu free at open. I don't know though. It's possible because I do have October's. I'd like to be able to hold this. So first target was obviously this 116.30. from this kind of 111.33 area that I was outlining for you guys for the breaks. You are gapping above that, so it does make sense to trim, especially those of you guys with shorter dateds. And then the next target on this one, guys, on Baidu is 126.22, and then all the way up at 136. Don't be a chump, join and become a champ, join and you won't regret it. I mean, guys, I don't know, like, obviously you're not going to regret it. Look at how many trades I'm showcasing to you guys every single day. I call these in front of you guys all the time. What are you doing? What are you doing? Nobody's doing this for you guys. Why? It's interesting. It's like, do I have to convince you to make money? It's crazy. I saw a lot of really awesome messages too on Twitter yesterday. That was really cool to see. Vito was up 22% on his account yesterday. Poor Man Investor, this was really cool. The result from joining a little over a month ago, absolutely awesome. He's up 151% on his account in the last month, and he's paid like $30 to be an LTMP. So again, you get 50% off your first month. The prices had already gone up once. They're gonna keep going up. Don't miss your opportunity to join before the prices are really high. You guys have had more than a year now, or about a year, to hop in and learn this stuff. Time is running out. So, what else do we have today, ladies and gentlemen? Again, you guys are crushing the like button. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. We got the market moving up a little bit here. I'd love to see, like, my first target on Tessie here is, like, basically 380. It's right around that 380 area. So, it'd be really interesting to see if Tesla can get up there today. I mean, who knows? It could. You never know. Tessie's a wild child. Let's see, guys, we got to give Vic some credit. We were looking at China and JD and Fubo, and he picked the only one that's up in the pre-market. Yin, Baba, and JD all down in the pre-market. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. That's what I do. It's what I do. Adrian says, join. I'm one of the newest traders out there, and with a $1,000 account, I've made 10% this week. It's not only about the money. You can ask about your doubts and SCV and other people. No, wait, what? Yeah, it's great. I mean, again, guys, LTMP is the best place to come and learn to trade in the internet. Like, there's nothing else like it. There will never be anything else like it ever again. You either see it at this point, all the big multi-100% trades, all the crazy things that I'm showcasing all the time. It looks like I'm from the future, but I'm not. It's like, nobody else is calling stocks that are about to explode before they do, like we are over here. It's going to sound cocky, but again, like, what would you do if you just had all these results? What would you do? You'd probably talk about them too. All right, let's see. We got 8 minutes to go until open here. I mean, I'd love to see the 10-year down below 4. You might get a little bit of, like, all right, so going into next week, you might see some people kind of front run the cut, start buying up bonds a little bit more, send the 10-year down, but I'm a little worried that rate sensitive names are going to get like a sell the rate cut news after the first cut, because that's exactly what happened last year. But the thing with this year that's different is that the market isn't overpricing rate cuts right now. Last year, last September, they were. That's why when I called, okay, it's not actually this day, Powell cut on that day. But this day right here, Tuesday, September 17th, when I called the top in bonds, the bottom in yields here, it was pretty obvious because the market was pricing in like 8 rate cuts going into like, and it just didn't make any sense for that to happen because the overall economic conditions would have to continue to deteriorate even more, which didn't seem that likely. So again, that's why you saw this move up. I then called it up here as well. I was like a day or two off the top in yields last time. Let's see. Monthly updates. I don't think I was ever doing that. I mean, this is, if you guys, like, think about it like this, and I say this a lot, the outcome of one individual trade, guys, and this is the mindset that you have to have when it comes to the market, is completely meaningless. Like, when every single trade that I outline can run multi-hundreds, if not multi-thousands of %. People be like, it's like this bad habit that people get into. It's like, what's your win rate? What's the data? What's that? And it's like, it's this trading journal, excuse my language, bullshit that doesn't matter. It's like, you're just like, you're thinking about stuff that literally doesn't matter. Because like, think about it. If all of my losers, let's say, are going to be down maybe 10, 20, 30%, but every single winner that I outline is 300, 500, 1,000%, I literally don't even, like, I just forget about them. I'm like, all right, well, whatever, break even trade basically. You know? You can like the way that I do things or not. The fact is going to remain that it works. And it works for everybody in LTMP. It will continue working, and I'm going to keep changing everybody's lives for the better. Baidu, what are you doing? Rude. Coming up to that level. Still up nicely. We'll see what happens here. Bill Ackman closing his short on bonds helped too. Oh, yeah, I do remember that. That did help. But yeah, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. We're going to have some fun today, I think. So I'll see what I can get out of. I mean, Baidu, I think I'd be able to make it free up here. I mean, it's up 4%. But Texas Phoenix, I show you the results all the time. They are really good. You have 25% win rate, so crush it. You probably in LTMP could win 10% of your trades and still crush it. Like, that's how good this stuff is. That's how big the winners are. Because a lot of them are just going to be break evens. You're going to be like, all right, they'll run up 60%, they'll come back down, break even, you're done. So, let's see what happens with Baidu here. Market's looking decent. Where's Wally? Oh, Wally's moving. There you go. Let's see if Walmart can get a move today. That would be very interesting. Walmart's another one that has the potential to go nutty. Yeah, Coin's almost at the break. Yeah, I know. It's like, it's close. They might just rip this one at open and we won't be able to touch it, but that's okay. That's okay. It's like people are, it's like at this point, like after all the results that I've shown and all the trades that I've called out for free, like I'm almost getting to the point where like people ask me questions and I just want to be like, no, shut up and listen. Like I'm serious, like seriously, like this stuff is so powerful. Stop doing everything else, stop whatever else that you're doing in the market and just focus on what we're doing in LTMP. Thoughts on Nio chart? Yeah, it does actually look like it's coming up for that 10. I think I saw that. Yeah, so if this one, again, if it reclaims the 10 here, I'd love it to consolidate above 632. Then we can get to, because it's kind of a shift of this little downtrend that you're seeing. Netflix, I like, I think. No, I don't. Not anymore. Not after yesterday. It was looking good, and then that, yeah, it never broke to the upside, and then that yesterday candle is telling me no now. Hims? How's Hims looking? That one looks decent. Yeah, I never grabbed that one yesterday. I think I was in a meeting when that fired off. Towards like the later half of the day. But yeah, I mean, Hims chart is looking really good there. Let's take a look at some of the big boys here. Palantir, how's this looking? So Palantir is actually setting up a new setup here. So that could be very, very, very fun. If Palantir can consolidate for a few more days going through FOMC, we easily could play a nice little break here to the upside back into these highs. But again, right now, we're just kind of waiting on that one. We just covered Nio. We just covered Hims. Let's talk about SoFi. Looks good at the highs. Doesn't look bad. It's kind of a sitting duck here, I would say, because like you really did try and get through this, what is it, 2664 area and got sold off pretty aggressively. SoFi right now is one that you don't touch. Remember, guys, I gave this one out to you guys at $6.55 last July. Not this July, last July. And then also the weekly breakout at 1360. If I like a stock at 655 and then I like it again at 1360, well, obviously I'm not going to think that it's the smartest idea to be buying it up in the mid-20s. There's a time and a place to be taking action in the market, guys, and dollar cost averaging into individual names, I think is a really, really silly thing to do. Very, very, very risky. Again, I like to use the skills that I've developed over the last, 12 years in the market here to be able to get the best entries in the market. Let's see. Circle. That could start to set up. Ooh, Baidu, what are you doing here? Selling off, going into open? Uh-oh. I don't know, Ryan. Is it up over 4.5%? Is it following the rules? Nope. It's up 3.5. No, we're not looking at Adobe. But let's see. Let's see what we get today, folks. Today could be a fun day. Where's Tessie right now? Tessie looks good. Wally looks good. I mean, Baidu's still looking good. It's right at the level. So, like, you gap right to the level. I mean, that's profit target time. With what it did, you might see a little sell at open here. I just kind of want to see what these are up. So, I saw this thing at, like, 121 in the freaking, what do you call it? After hours yesterday. That was nutty. So, all right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's do it. Silver looks good. All right, what are my Baidus up? 89%. All right, so if those, I'm gonna throw a little limit order here. My Baidus are gonna be up over 100% here. Wally's looking good. They're spready, so I actually am probably gonna make this free if I can. And I might be able to as this chain starts to get a little better. We'll see. Tessie. Hello. Boom. There's another one. Hold on. And Baidu back down. Darn. Yeah, so I've got a limit order on Baidu. If it wants to hit, it wants to hit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. My Tessies are up 52%. Nice. We'll see if that can get some follow through. Wally's looking really good here. Guys, we are in position A here, ladies and gentlemen. Baidu's free. Nice. Good work, guys. Yeah, next target on Baidu, if it wants to continue up there after it hit that level, is 126. So I have a little limit order on Baidu here. If it wants to get a little shoot up here, I'd love to get those filled. That'd be nice. Tessie's looking real good here. Again, my first target on Tessie here is 380. Let's see if we can get there. Coin, I like. Did it hit? And 5-minute opening range break to the upside. That's what I would look for. Walmart, first target, 104.70-ish on that one. So, Baidu doesn't really look like it wants to play right now. We'll see what happens happen with the market. I've got some limit orders on it. If they want to take it, great. If they don't, whatever. Looks good, though. I mean, I'm just going to hold that one out for a little bit. Tessie looks phenomenal. Amazing work, guys. I mean, I'm going to take a look at community gains in a little bit here, see what you guys have been able to do. Tessie looks good. Baidu with the gap up looks good. Wally looks okay. I'm not really going to be touching coin yet, but... Ryan's up 89% on Tessie. Nice. Nice, guys. Yeah, I'd love to see Baidu just like take out these daily highs and just run a little bit here. So I can get filled because the chain was a little stupid on it. They were very spready. Like if we come up through 117 at all today, I'll probably get my orders filled. Tessie new highs. Bang. 97X. Bang, the future of rock and roll. What am I up on Tesla right now? Oh, nice, 65%. Yeah, guys, I'm having fun today. 116% on Tessie, nice. Nice. Here we go, Stressla. Oh, Baidu, you're such a disappointment right now. Walmart looks good right here, though. I'm holding this one for a little bit. I like it. It's obviously I like with that move down into the open. I was expecting this, so I'm gonna give this a little room to breathe here. Wally looks really good. Tessie looking really good here. I mean, guys, how many more of these you guys want to say? I probably had the opportunity. If I really wanted to make it free at open on Baidu, I could have. But I was like, yeah, I'll just leave the limit orders on there. See what happens. 160% on free Tesla. Guys, I'm going to say this again. And here's the thing. This is why I always say pay attention or pay a premium. Because I keep telling you guys that I'm going to keep handing out the most disgusting trades in the market to everybody. And then I come out every week and then show you the results of the most disgusting trades in the market for everybody. If you guys are not in LTMP yet, I don't know what you're doing. I seriously don't. How many more of these do you guys need to see? I'm just going to keep doing it. Like, the sooner that you come in and adopt the LTMP methodology, the sooner you're able to finally start having success in the market, or even more success than you've already been having. So here's the link. Again, use code September, get 50% off your first month. Prices are going up for LTMP at the end of the month again. If you join before this price increase, you get locked in at this rate every single time. Again, the prices go up. Everybody gets locked in at the rate that they're at. The prices never go up on you. 134% on Tesla Octobers. Really? What are mine up? Did I get screwed on this? I'm at 69% on this. I mean, I'm up very nicely on it because I did do some good work on it. But yeah, I'm up like 80% on Baidu. If Baidu starts to pull back up here, which it looks like it wants to, I might get my limit orders filled. So that'd be nice, obviously. But guys, there's the link. You have all weekend to go through the learning curriculum videos there. It doesn't take you very long. This stuff is so mind-numbingly simple. It is so simple, this stuff. Like when I come out here and I show you guys the results of these like multi-100 and multi-1000% trades every single day, it's not hard. Up 121% on free Baidu. Thank you, SCV. It's taken a while, but I'm learning. Ian, I know I've seen your growth, man. It's been absolutely awesome. Oh, you bought yours the day before? Ah, that's why. Tessie Tessie. Yeah, 380. If we hit 380 today, I'll be trimming. Or close to it. If we get close to 380, I will be trimming my Tessies. Wally moving a little bit here, ladies and gentlemen. Wally. I'm having fun, guys. I am having fun. This is great. I love doing this. Even, guys, everything could blow up in our faces today, and think about what we've already accomplished this week. 1,000% on UNH, 1,000% on WBD. We already hit TSM for multi-hundreds of percent. What else was there? I bet I'm forgetting some because there's been so many good ones. How many more do you want to see? I'm just going to keep doing it. Marvel looks amazing. Ooh. Yeah, so coin we're not going to be touching. Marvel looks okay. Tessie, come on. Come on, team. Let's do it. I'm going to get excited over here. If we can hit 380 on Tessie. Guys, should I just sling it? Let it rip? Should I sling it? Let it rip? I'm up 78% on Stressla. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Come on, Tessie. $4 more. Tesla up 160% right now. Dang. Baidu's moving a little there, too. IBM is starting to set up, I think. Yeah, it's starting to set up here. Nothing crazy yet, but I want to see Baidu over 116 and moving a little bit because I want to get these orders filled on it. I want to have free China for like the next month. I'd love that. Walmart at 103. I've got what, about $2 left, so I can trim on this one. I like this. 105% on Tesla October's. Love it. IONQ, is that one still going? Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, guys. Remember the outline I gave you guys? Remember this one, 43.20? That level that I gave you guys for IONQ? Oh, it's at 49. It's at 49. I mean, guys, what are you doing? Like, I'm just going to keep showing you guys the fill. What are you guys up on IONQ right now? Let's see. I'm going to take a look at community gains here and see. Oh, my God. 109% Tesla, 159% IONQ. Baidu, 152%. Tesla, 102%. God, you guys are crushing it. There we go. Tessie is screaming. Love it. Love it, folks. So, I mean, I'm up a decent amount on Tessie here. If we hit, what do you call it, 380 today, I will be trimming. That's my first area of, like, all right, this is where I want to trim. It is this level, but, like, I'm fine with 380. Baidu not really playing ball here. Well, it is. It's still up nicely. Wally's looking really good here. Do you guys understand why I talk about LTMP in the way that I do now? Like, are you guys seeing it? Up 180% on Tesla. Like, do you guys see why I harp on this so much? Where I'm like, all you guys gotta do is just listen. Just pay attention. And you're gonna do well. It's not that hard. It really is not. So, I'm just gonna keep doing this. Let's see if Tessie can get a little bit more action here. The market's moving down, and Tessie's saying, I don't care. Love that right now. 180% Tesla. Great work. I'm up a nice little chunk on Tessie here so far. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Exactly. It's the easiest way to be operating in the market. I don't know why more people don't do this. It's like they're asking to lose money. Oh my God, Ryan. 203% on Tesla. So this is your guys' last chance to lock in the lower rate again before there's another price increase. So again, use code September, get 50% off your first month. There's the link to it. If you miss it, I don't know what to tell you. Here's another one. Tessie. Walmart looking pretty decent. Baidu starting to make a little bit of an attempt here. IONQ looking absolutely phenomenal from that breakout. Woo, love it. Teslas are free at 150%. Yeah, I'm probably close to being on them. I'm at 82 on them. If Baidu is able to be made free today and Tesla, this will be really good going into next week. Because then we'll have free Teslas, free Baidus going into FOMC. Do you guys know how crazy that could get? Like, seriously, do you guys know how ridiculous that could be if the market reacts positively to FOMC and we have free Baidu and free Tesla? RGTI moving, that was another one. Oh my God, IONQ. Boom, ladies and gentlemen. Also, we're 25 likes away from 50. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Again, I like to say that this is the best kept secret on YouTube. There is nobody else out there that is handing out the level of gains that I am as consistently as I do. It must be really, really annoying sitting on the sidelines being like, he's not going to do it again. All right. Watch me. Watch me. 210% on Tesla. Nice. Yeah, we're getting close here. This could shoot really close to there in a minute here or two. So I'm at 88% on this. Wally looks good. I'd love for Baidu to get one little push so that I can make these free. It's not going to take very much here to do this. So 90% Tesla for me. I'm having a real good day today, guys. Real good day. So I'm going to throw a little limit order on this. Just kind of let it go here. Just so if it flies up, I'm going to be able to get these. Which I think it's gonna. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm at 93. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we 350% IONQ. Bang. Telling you guys. I'm gonna keep showing you. Actually, hold on. I actually might need to modify this. 94%. I'm trying to think of what I need on this to make them free. It's not much. I'm gonna move this down a little. We're close here. Yeah, move that down. Okay, that should be good. I'm at 95% of my Tessies. Wally's looking really good. Here we go, Tesla. Here we go, Stressla. Do it. Do it for us. 105% Tesla. Great work, guys. Here we go. CVS is not a setup anymore. Again, it has to stay in the range, guys. Something just happened there. Oh, the spread's really widened on my Baidus. They're hitting them a little here. Let's see. If Tessie gets through... I mean, I'm at 98% on these. Like, I just wish these were, like, up a little bit more so I could make them free because I don't want to sell more than half of this. And this is an amazing looking chart here, so I'm going to leave this be for a little bit. You're currently up 113% on Walmart. Great work. 200% on Stressla. Guys, there's Wally starting to get going there a little. Are you convinced yet about LTMP or what? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe I know maybe I know exactly what I'm doing and I'm one of the best in the world at what I do. How about that? Why do you think everybody has so much success in LTMP and I'm able to make these videos all the time or post these videos about how much success everybody's having? Look at IONQ, dude. Look at this. This is going to be another 1000% trade, guys. This IONQ move that you're seeing right now is the third 1000% trade that I've handed out this week. How are you missing these? Just getting lucky. Baidu. I want to see Baidu flash above 116 here. That'd be good for me. Yeah, back to 90% on Tessie. I'm leaving it be. I think this Tessie breakout here could be absolutely ridiculous, so I'm going to leave that be. If the market flashes up a little bit today, Tessie will probably do it. Baidu, I want to see it back above 116. So all of you guys should be free on Tesla with short dated. Good for you guys. That's awesome. Wally kind of flashing around here a little bit. I like that. IONQ is phenomenal. That's like, guys, so the two that have already run over 1000% this week for everybody is, what do you call it? UNH and then WBD. You've only seen one person struggle in here and it was 100% on him. Are you talking about Wayne? Yeah, I haven't seen anybody struggle in LTMP, which is crazy. You were 57% on IONQ 3 minutes ago. Just look back and sold 2 out of 6 for 400%. Figure it out, guys. Figure it out. Don't get left behind. I'm just going to keep doing this for everybody. Baidu's being a little a-hole here. Tessie, a little pullback. That's fine. It snuck up to that 380. So I probably could have sold it, tried to make it free a little bit there, but like, why? Why would I do that? Hold my winners. You know? Let it rip. Great day though today. Great day. Having an unbelievable time. I am gonna be such an godly nuisance on Twitter today. You guys have no idea. Yeah, Wayne would just over leverage on everything. Right, so he wasn't following the rules. Let's see. What else we got in community gains? Jesus, Asian Pelican, my man. 230% on Tesla. That's another $5,000 for Asian Pelican. So for those of you guys that don't know, one of my students in here, Asian Pelican, made 600% on the AEO trade, but that trade was actually a 20,000. Well, it was like 19,600 that he made. There's Tessie. There's Tessie. Those actually should have filled here, and I'm surprised that they didn't just now. I'm only up 99% on Tessie. That's really annoying. Wait, did they fill? No, I still got them. Tessie does this. The premiums will like not move. It takes a little while for him to get going, which is fine. So that's $25,000 for Asian Pelican in 2 trades. The fact that I'm even giving most of you guys a 50% off your first month discount to LTMP is ridiculous. Like, I don't think I'm going to be letting those sales go any longer. You got an IOUNQ today because of the weekly breakout, already up 60%. Good work. And Baidu's struggling a little here. It's still up 2%. I mean, I want to see what happens with this today. AAL. Look at ION. All right, I want to see some IONQ gains because I want to post those on Twitter too. Oh wait, there's more. Hold on, there's more gains and community gains that I missed. Johnny Ray up 242%. What do we got here? IONQ 256. 1 of 1. I bet those are up more now. Tessie 104%. 235% Tesla. 230% Tesla. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That's why LTMP prices are going up. I'm doing this every week for everybody. Every week. All right, market's pulling up here. I want to see Tessie just flash. It hit 3. Come on, dude. Really? You're screwing with me this much on Stressla here? I just want to make them free. I want to have free Tessies. I'm having a good day, guys. Are you late to the party? Emmett, I saw you you joined up this morning. First step, again, don't touch anything. Just go through all the learning curriculum videos. That is the most important element of you having success in LTMP. Sold 1 out of 6 GLW at 6,100%. Daniel, you actually might be able to catch the biggest LTMP trade this year with that. RZLV over 300%. Oh my god. Yeah, Baidu's kind of struggling here a little bit. I might just book it. Honestly, I might just book it. I mean, that's fine. I mean, the position is up. I don't know. The total position's up like 63%. I might just book that. I don't really like what it's doing. This might come back to bite me, but I think I'm just going to book this. Take the money and run, you know? Yeah, order filled. I'm done. That's good. All right, hold on. Tessie's moving. I'm up 100% on Tesla. I don't need very much more here. I need a little bit more on Stressy. Yeah, so I cut Baidu there. That's okay. I mean, it did what we needed it to do. That's still a winner. We can. All right, did that fill? Yes, I'm free on Tesla. Oh, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got free Tessies going into next week. Look at us. You guys want to know where the next target on Tessie is? 420. That's kind of where it is. I mean, I'm going to let that rip. The GLWs are for next week. Oh, interesting. Oh, Stressla. I told you guys, Tesla sets up every now and then, and it freaking goes. Jeez, guys. I don't know how you guys aren't in LTMP yet. I seriously don't. We're up a lot today. So I booked the gains on Baidu. I have free Teslas now. I'm going to throw one more wild limit order on this thing that if it hits, I would be fine with trimming a little bit more. And then riding it to the targets. And then we really let Tessie fly. How many more times do you guys want to see me do this for everybody? How many? How many? You want to see it 10 more times? I'll do it. It's what happened 10 times ago, and I've been saying this. Him setting up, yeah, it kind of broke out yesterday, but not really. So I booked the gains on Baidu. So I'm done with that. I wanted to make it free. It wouldn't let me do it. I was like, you know, I'll take 60, whatever. It's just not looking. All of China wasn't really moving, so that's kind of what's hurting it there. Community gains, let's see what else we got. Oh, nice, 231% on Tesla. Bang. Bang. Thanks, guys. RGTI free? Wait, what? No. Really? Already? Oh my God. For next week. All right, guys. So we talked about RGTI. Alfie actually brought this up yesterday. 750% Tesla. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Let's see. So RGTI was actually this breakout here. I didn't really like this. It was decent. But this is the one that we were looking at yesterday. So 1668 was the entry. The stock is now up 11%. Francisco, is this actually going to be the fourth 1,000% trade that I've given out this week? 4 10x trades? Name anybody ever that's done that for you guys. Name anybody. No, it doesn't. This type of results, guys, doesn't exist. There's nothing else like LTMP. You're never gonna see it again. So again, I'm gonna throw the link for you guys in the live chat here. At this point, I mean, if you're gonna miss these next price increases, it's gonna be a lot more expensive for you guys to join LTMP. But if you join before the price increases, the prices never go up on you, ever. 33% on Tesla shares, 100% on IONQ shares, 50% on RGTI shares. Alfie, great work. Great work. I want to see you do it till you turn Jerome Powell's age. You guys think this is going to stop? You guys think this is going to stop? No. I'm just getting started. Tesla, new highs. Bang. Bang. You guys can hate me all you want. I'm not here to be your friend. I'm here to make you stupid amounts of money every single day. Stupid amounts of money. Zach's channel account is up 93% in the last 30 days. Boom. It never stops. Baidu's back up a little. I don't really care, though. I don't really like the action I'm seeing on that one. 120% Tesla. Learn the skills and you won't need SUV. Exactly. Nothing stops. The trades keep flowing. Yeah, guys. Oh, I love it. I love it. We are the danger. We are the danger. That's why I get so heated on the streams with you guys sometimes when everybody brings up like all these nonsense names, because I'm like, you literally could just do this, right? I do card tricks? No, I don't. You guys could just do this and make stupid amounts of money, you know? STV, quit scamming me. My account is up 30% this morning. Not 600% IONQ. I love it, guys. I'm gonna get a noise complaint. Can you sing "We Are the Champions"? I mean, I could, but that's the point. I mean, you guys already know who the best person to learn from in this in this trading space is. Account is up 24% last week, and I've been trading with the flu. Attaboy, Adrian. There you go, guys. If you missed the link that I'm throwing in the live chat, it's pinned to the top. Don't miss the link to join out. Don't miss it. Again, what is it? It's the 12th. The next price increase is happening in 2 weeks. It will be significant as well. So if you want to lock into the lower rate and have the price never go up on you and get 50% off your first month, which is honestly, I kind of want to cut off the 50% off deal. I don't think that's silly. I mean, you guys see it at this point. It's like I'm just underselling what I do over here. I've got Asian Pelican up $25,000 in 2 trades. 2 trades, 25 grand. You're welcome. Stressla. Actually, this might hit my next TP. Or not next TP, but like my next. Yeah, so I'm up 134% on Tesla here. On just today, oh wait, hold on. What am I up on Tesla here? That doesn't make sense. I'm up more than that today. I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are too. This is fun. I like trading. Trading is fun, especially when you're as good at it as we are. Tesla was 300% nice. Nice. Yeah, we're having a good day today. Really good day. It's freaking ripping, guys. Also, here's the other thing that's actually hilarious. All of you guys that are sitting here not in LTMP, if you followed me on Twitter and had notifications turned on, I'm going to send you guys the link to this Twitter here, or this tweet. This is a few days ago. There you go. Hi, I joined yesterday and have been through all the videos. Good to see everyone making great here. Looking forward to joining the party. Let's see. I don't want to mess the pronunciation of your first name up. Is it Shirog? If I messed it up, just tell me how to do it. But yeah, welcome, man. You took the right step forward. We're gonna get you going in here with us. As long as you guys listen to the things that I tell you, and you really, really understand, like, forget everything that you think you know about the market and trading, and you just listen to the LTMP methodologies. Everything that you guys are seeing in the live chat here, 350%, 600%, making Tesla free, nailing all these trades, is all possible for you, as long as you're willing to listen a little bit. You know? All right, I got another Tessie trim off on that. So my Tessies are up 151%. I now have a really free Tesla position that the next target on this one is 420. I just wanted to take a little bit more off just because like I was only up like 103% when I got my scale out. So I was like, well, I might as well trim a little bit more. This is an unbelievable trade here, guys. This is just another testament to just how powerful what I do in the market for everybody actually is. Kevin is up, holy shit, 454% on Tesla here. Quiet Quacker hit his first TP with LTMP, risked $50 to make 100. That's awesome. 175% Tesla. Walmart, oh my god. Asian Pelicans in Walmart too, and Tesla. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Any questions, guys? Are you guys confused? I'll tell you guys what you get in LTMP. I'll tell you. You get access to all of the learning curriculum videos. The Swing Kings course is the best video series on trading that exists out in the market right now. You guys go through that, you're going to learn the skills that nobody can ever take away from you, and you're going to be able to go nail trades like this. Now, if you're confused and you want to trade options and you've never traded options before, you can just hop over to the Day Trading Mastery course and go through the option section of that area. It teaches you exactly what options are, how they move, how they're priced, everything like that. Then what else? You guys get the full watch list of stocks and cryptos that are about to explode before they do this. That is where all of these trades come from. Once you go through the videos, the watch list with the levels are going to make a whole lot more sense to you, and you know exactly how to execute. Because, and the reason why you guys see 1,009% on Tesla, guys, Francisco, I'd love to see a little screenshot of that because I do want to make a TikTok with that if you got it there. If you can throw that in community gains, I would love to see that. Because I'll make a little TikTok and Instagram video with that if you've got it. 350% on Tessie, great work. I'd love to see that if you got a picture of it. But again, the reason why you guys are seeing everybody able to have so much success in here is because this is not, like, all of these other people that you guys see on the internet that are doing this are, I'm sorry, but they're morons. Like, I heard this quote the other day, but it's like, never mind. It's just like they don't know what they're doing and they don't know how to teach. And they're mainly focused on like making sure that you guys are dependent on them. And the actual way for you guys to have success is to actually make it like so that you guys are never dependent on me, ever. Like, obviously, I'm there to help. And one of the interesting things that I keep seeing from you guys is you guys are like, wow, I'm really happy that you're always around to, like, help us out and point us in the right direction. And I'm like, wait, everybody doesn't do that? That's, like, what I'm here for. Like, I'm even, what time was it last night that I was answering you guys' messages? I mean, it wasn't that late last night. I went to bed a little earlier, but I've been talking to you guys at, like, 1 in the morning about this stuff. I love doing this. I love seeing you guys have this level of success in here because, like, this is the only thing that you need. So then, in addition, you guys get the pre-market plans every single day. You guys get the daily private live streams, except for Fridays, like we are right here. We're on public live. You get the macro research reports, single stock research reports. Again, this is the most valuable community in the world. Walmart? Yeah, Wally looks really good here. Wally looks really good with the break yesterday at 102.46. Perfect. Ryan, that's the other thing too. Like, if you guys do dumb things, I'm going to tell you that you're doing dumb things, you know? Because the less dumb things that you do, the more success that you're going to have. Tessie is just on a ripper here, guys. On an absolute ripper. Alfie says that's so true. I found IONQ and RGTI without anyone else telling me or pointing it out. Then I brought it to the team so we all could win. That's how LTMP works. Yes, that actually is, in my opinion, the best part of LTMP, because with the way that we teach things, I've basically formed an army of traders that are all looking at the exact same thing. Like, I'll find like 80 to 85% of all of the most epic setups in the market. But then we have people like Alfie coming in here that can find a Daily Taylor, Logan, Cole, like so many people in there are hunting as well. And it's just this hive mind of people. We have eyes, we're like eagle eye. We see everything. So I will tell you guys right now that the monthly fee for LTMP is going to be at some point, probably not this year because it's going to go up sequentially, but the price monthly for LTMP is going to go up to $199 a month. That's where it's going. You guys want to jump in, lock in the lower rate, never have it raised on you? Make sure you hop in before then. I'm also giving you a little bit of a sweetener. 50% off your first month. Take advantage of it or don't and pay the higher rate. Makes no difference to me. I'm going to keep calling out the most epic trades in the market. So I'm happy I cut by do. Sold your full position on Tesla. You'll take the 100%. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Cult of making money. That's what we are. We are a cult. Oh my God. 708% on IONQ. Holy shit. Coops is up $3,100 today. 161% Tesla. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. We have secrets. We have Dave. We do have Dave. We do have a Dave. Anyone see Billions where axe cap of all the employees was read? Yeah, I love Billions. Well, the last season was a little bit weird. Other than that, it was really good. You're looking at entering coin. Is this correct? I gotta look, but I don't think it's doing it now. I'd give this a few more days now. I would wait on this. It was 59, now 79. Can I lock in the 59? Nope, you missed it. Sorry. Sorry, you missed it. With the 15,000% trades that I've outlined for you guys in the last 2 months, no, you missed it. Like I said before, once the prices end up, and I also gave you guys an extra week to hop in too. I also gave you an extra week. So no, it's 79 now. It's going to be going up even more at the end of this month. But you can lock in what it is now. New here, the only Discord name for you? Yeah. Okay, so this is the other thing. I never use Discord DMs. I never will. If anybody messages you on Discord and it looks like me, it's not. Report them. I'm never, because there's too many accounts on there that can look like me that are not me. So, if you guys think now it's too expensive for LTMP, it's going way higher. way higher. Lock in the lower rate before it's too late, or don't. And then I'm just going to keep sitting here victory lapping all day. Tesla, I love when this comes through the feed. Tesla surges over 5%. Bang. Thanks, no problem. Yeah, just don't, this is something I say all the time. I might have to add that to start here because it's like I will never message you. If you want to message me privately, Twitter or Instagram. That's it. Not TikTok. I'm not really on there. There was a time when I was like posting those like other videos where it was like I just get like hundreds of messages that were just like, hi. And I'm like, I can't deal with this. You know? So, amazing work this week, guys. That is, I think, 4. I know it's 3 with Tesla, 10x trades. Like, think about it like this, too. Like, you guys could have put $30, $30 into one of the trades from this week and made 300. Then you had 3 of them. 4 with RGTI, potentially, and IONQ. The amount of money being made in this group right now is absolutely ridiculous. It is absolutely insane. Oh no, what happened here? 708%, that's crazy. So, Tessie's still moving here, looking good. Wally's still looking really good here. My first target on this one's 104.70. I'd love to be able to see that hit there next week. Baidu, still a nice winner. Not what we were expecting out of it, but still very good. Tessie ended up actually being the big winner for us today. Which I think more of you guys were in Tesla than you were in Baidu, which is good. But Baidu could still do it. Again, though, you guys know me. I don't like the drama. MNST is typically a fun one. Holy IONQ. I like that. Actually, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a little bit of a tweet, actually. Did somebody hit IONQ for 1,000%, right? I don't want to be saying wrong things. I didn't take XLV, and no, CVS is not a setup. So when CVS did this, it invalidates the setup. It doesn't matter if it rips through. It's not a setup anymore. I want to see, did anybody hit IONQ for 1,000% before I do this? Because I know Tesla is. Rivian dying? Yeah, that one hit the, that one would have been a loser, I think. XLV's popping. Is it? Hold on. Because I wouldn't have traded that, but like, oh, I like that a lot. Where's Nova? Where's my Nova? It's creeping. It's creeping. AMPX. Let me look. I like that. That's a good setup there. Bing, 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 bing. All right. You held him through all the drama? Nice. Wait, hold on. Where was the Tesla? There it is, Francisco. Hold on, we're gonna have some fun here. Boop, boop. Tessie's new highs. Bang. Holy shit. Alright. Entry. It was like, this was the level I gave you guys on IONQ. Right here. this. We're gonna have some fun here. Bloop, bloop. And then we got one more. Okay. Here we go. Ready? We're gonna do a tweet. We're gonna let everybody know. Just 1,008%. Oh, it is? You got a screenshot of that, Daniel? Because I do want to say 4 10x trades this week on Twitter. Because technically right now it's 3. I trust you, obviously, but obviously. Can I add one more to this? I think I can. Yeah, I don't know. What are you guys waiting for? I don't know. Tessie, Ripper. What am I up on Tesla right now? 162%? Nice. Coin. Is it moving? Because, like, I don't really want it right now. Like, it's kind of flickering, you know? Is it moving? Nah, I don't want this right now. Give it a few days. Give it a few days. Let's see. LG, Jesus. All right, we'll tweet this as is, and then I'll make videos about it when you guys throw the IONQ and the Tessie gains in there. All right, 3, 2, 1, tweet. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab the link to this tweet right here. We've got a bunch of you guys in here. I want to see a boatload of likes, boatload of retweets on this thing. There's the link to the tweet right there. Drop some comments, drop some likes. Let everybody know what we do around here, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, did this not come through? What? 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 How is this not? I hate when Twitter does this. Twitter like glitches out sometimes. I can't even, oh, there it is. Wait, that's not even the, why is it not? It's not even showing up. What the heck? That's so weird. That's so weird. Twitter's glitching out here. Where do you want it? Community gains. Community gains. Just throw it in there. Yeah, great work, Daniel. Great work, man. Yeah, that's so weird. It like didn't send. It's like not on my profile. It is there now. Oh, there it is. So there's a link to it. Drop some likes, drop some retweets, let everybody know. I mean, I'll probably tweet some more about all this stuff today. There's nobody else on the internet that is doing the things. Did I hit the enter button? Yeah, it's there. You guys have the link to it. I thought yesterday having a 50% day was going to be your best day, but today knocked it out of the park. LG, there you go. That's the LTMP way. Walmart new highs. That's looking good. Yeah, Novo's coming back up. I like that. So I'm up 41% on Wally here as well. Guys, really good day today. Really good week. This is just, this is awesome. I love seeing this. Those of you guys that are hopping into LTMP, again, first things first, just connect your Discord account to your WAP account. You'll be let right in. I'll direct you to the start here message, and you guys can start going through those videos and being prepared to hit these massive trades with us. Yeah, maybe it's taken a little bit because Twitter will send the alert. It's just going to be later. So yeah, there's a link to that tweet. It's just unbelievable gains, guys. I feel like nobody believes me. They're like, there's no way you're doing this that much. And it's like, but I am, though. But we are. And we're going to keep doing it. So 13 likes away from 100. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Happy I cut by do. Yeah, that's weird. I mean, I might retweet this out later because Twitter just glitched out hard on this. Yeah, I'm probably, I mean, I'll delete it. Yeah, because Twitter, like, unless it's just like not showing up. Like it says it has 14 views on the tweet. That makes no sense. All right, I'll probably delete that and then repost it later. This week's been crazy. Oh yeah, it's only gonna keep getting better too. It's only gonna keep getting better. You guys have no idea what's about to start happening. You could have held Tessie for a better TP1, but she still made you nervous. I mean, guys. A 380 TP from 358 entry, a $22 move in Tesla in 2 days is pretty ridiculous. You know? All right, so I deleted that tweet. I'm gonna redo it later. So there's going to be some Instagram videos. There's going to be some TikTok videos I'm going to make about this. I might post a YouTube short about it too. Again, guys, thank you to those of you guys that are engaging with these videos that I'm posting. It's like, I wish more people traded in the market the way we do, because you would never hear all these bad statistics of people failing all the time. You just wouldn't. So I'm very proud of each and every one of you guys that has taken that leap to hop in. I fully understand that the trading space is filled with people that are just hanging out on the left side of the bell curve that have no idea what they're talking about. So I do really appreciate it that you guys all have given me a chance over here to show you guys how to actually operate in the market with a level of intelligence and effectiveness that you actually can do. And I like to prove that to you guys every single day. So congratulations, everybody. We're going to keep this going. Those of you guys that are new to the group hopping in, we're going to get you guys going here as well. I have no doubts that each and every single one of you guys can do this. Each and every one of you. It doesn't matter if you're working a job all the time, or if you've never traded before, or if you're the most experienced trader in the world. This is going to help you. What do you think next week? Rate cuts happen? Will it tank the market? I don't think it'll. I mean, I think some things will move a little bit. I am worried about the risk of rate sensitive names getting sold off on that news as like a sell the news event. You know what I'm interested in today? We're open. That's down a little. I would actually like to look for like a legit parabolic short on this thing now, because the other one was good. So I gave open to you guys at what, 265, and then I called the $20 drop on it before they got saved by the bell. Up 15% on TSLL. What a week. Locked in 200% on Guys, I completely forgot about BX as well. That was another insane one over there. Let me take a look at this. Where is that today? BX, I mean, ran through all of those targets that we were looking at yesterday. You've got, this made it free. You've got another target up here at 188.79. Do your worst. See if it can get up there. That's insane. Buy do for 140%. It just keeps going. I also got lucky. It was down 90% on Tesla. Just came back to break even. Taylor, you front ran it. But yeah, Tessie's looking phenomenal over here. I'm letting the rest of this trade go. If we hit 420, great. That'll be another 1,000%er for me. Probably if we get all the way up there, that would be really good. But I know a lot of you guys with shorter dated really nailed it. I just, again, with the size that I wanted to put on with Tesla here, I did not want to go short dated. Again, because anything can happen. I've been in other trading groups that have 10x indicators to look at, but here is super easy. Yeah, anybody throwing all these indicators on your chart thinking that that's going to be a way to make you money? Yeah, right. Look at where are their 15,000% trades in the last month? Show me. That's going to be my new thing. People are going to be like, what about this? Be like, yeah, but have they called out 15 10x trades in the last month and a half? Have they? No. Okay, so I don't care what they think. Sorry. It's going to start getting a little harsh around here, guys, because like this is I'm trying to get through to you guys that it's like This is the way that you need to be operating in the market if you want to have any chance at long-term success. Stop with the nonsense, like all this day trading crap that people are throwing at you. You're always going to make way more money swing trading than day trading. How do I know that? Because I see hundreds of people in LTMP that have tried day trading for years, and have finally joined up and said, okay, I'm going to give this a shot. And then they come in and just go, oh my God, this is like the best thing ever. And I'm like, I know it is. So we got another dollar something on Walmart that we need to get up for me to start taking profits on this one. Tessie, already a winner. The rest of the trade could go to literally zero, and I would have locked in a lot of money on that one. Phenomenal, guys. Absolutely phenomenal work. Let's see here. Leo, welcome to the group, my man. I'm sending you to the start here area right now. Leo, very, very smart choice hopping in there, buddy. Locking in the lower rate, getting 50% off your first month. Awesome work. Thoughts on Palantir? Palantir, I've shared my thoughts with you guys a lot on this one already today. Palantir is one that you are going to be waiting until next week to touch. This is starting to form a really, really solid setup. This is an example of like a basin break that where it shifts out, it stutters a little bit, but you still have a really, really strong setup on it. So I will be interested in this, just not now. So that's going to be one for the watch list going into next week. Leo, congratulations, man. You probably just made the best decision that could ever happen to your trading. What about Hims? Hims still looks good if you're still holding it. I mean, where's it going now? Yeah, Hims going. I mean, that's a good one if you wanted to hold through the drama. You got the breakout yesterday. That's probably looking good. Just drama with Hims. Volume and flow. Yeah, volume, again, I just like options flow, bullshit. Sorry, I'm just gonna say it. Like, it's just nonsense. Like, it's just like you have just basically, you're hunting in a, here's what you're doing. Imagine me telling you that you're on a beach and you have to find one specific grain of sand that is non-fungible. That's what unusual options activity is. Like options flow, that's what it is. And you're gonna be like, well, I that's really hard to do. I'm not gonna be able to do that. And I'm like, yep, I know. Volume's a little different. I mean, I've talked about volume a lot with you guys that like people say it's a leading indicator, but it's not, especially if you're swing trading. It's like maybe the volume declined. That's really it. And I do talk about that in the course videos with you guys. But like it's on breakouts though. People are like, it just goes to show that like people actually don't think, no matter like how good you think they are at the market, it's like it just logically it doesn't make sense. They're like, oh, I'm buying a high volume breakout. It's like, okay, well, you're not going to know that it's a high volume breakout until the date is like halfway over. What if the breakout happens at 9:45? You don't know. You have no idea if the volume's actually high or not. You can kind of tell, be like if there's more transactions happening, but you need like volume percentile versus this time. It's just too many variables, and then it's like, well, is that actually giving you an edge? No. Okay, so we don't really worry about it. Tessie, I think that's, yeah, it's close to new highs over here. Wally's looking phenomenal. So amazing work, guys. I'm super proud of all of you. You're full boarding SBAT? You can trade SBAT and BMNR. You can trade them. This is a good setup here. I don't hate this. Should you own it for the long run? The risk adjusted returns are very not good. Not good. It's also funny though. It's like I feel like you guys get used to this. Like you guys are used to like if you just like watch me, you're used to like this being the norm of like big trades getting called out all the time, and then it's like that's not normal, guys. Like you got to realize that this is nobody else is doing this. This is special. We are doing something with LTMP that the trading community has never seen before. And I'm so happy that so many of you guys are going to be able to be along for the journey here. A Klarna put, they won't have an options chain. Like the trading space, guys, has never seen this. And I don't think they ever will again. It's special. There's Tessie, new highs. 97X. Bang, the future of rock and roll. This is funny. I've sold like most of the Tesla position, and I'm still up like a decent amount on the runners. This is fun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Tessie. 390? Are you kidding me? Are you convinced yet, guys? Oh, I love it. SV is kind of a big deal. I would say so. We're doing something very special over here, guys. We're taking normal everyday people and turning them into just absolute monsters in the market. Monsters. I wish you bought more Tesla. I wish I held it. I wish I held it a little more. I'm slinging it now, though. I'm slinging it now to 420. This is funny. I like trimmed like most of the Tesla, and I'm still up a lot. 200% on October monthlies, guys. I love it. You guys must have front ran me. I'm only up like what? This is the best part about LTMP too. You guys get better entries than I do a lot of the time. Like I'm up what? Okay, I'm close. 187% on 189% on Tesla. You cut Tesla? No, I trimmed it. I trimmed it at the first target, which was well, it was probably 381, 382. So that made it free, and then I trimmed a little bit more at a wild limit order that I didn't think was going to hit. But now I still have some. I still have some Tessie runners to go all the way up to 420 and then 440. 85% on RGTI shares. Great work. Again, I'm going to throw the link to LTMP in here again for you guys. Here you go. This is also crazy too. It's like, guys, when I tell you like that I'm banned on YouTube from making money, like they don't let me be monetized on YouTube because of how many 1000% trades I've called out and talk about. I'm the only one that you've ever heard that happen to. I might talk some shit at YouTube today. I might have to be like, hey guys, are we hitting 420 today? If we hit 420 today, I don't know what I would do with myself. I don't think we're hitting 420 today. That would be like a more than 10% move on Tesla. I don't think we're doing that. Like, I'm surprised this Tesla tweet that I have doesn't have like 10,000 views. I'm retweeting the Tesla tweet I gave you guys. There you go. It was at 358.95. I literally tweeted that out at the breakout. You have no excuse to not be making money at this point. Whether you're following on Twitter or if you're late and you want to actually learn how to do this, get into LTMP. It's gonna make you money. Unless you act like a silly goose. You never know. I don't think it's going 420 today. Because you have to get through 400. That's tough. RGTI. I mean, you should probably already be risk-free on this one, but yeah, 2140. What'd you say? 2152? Whatever that high is. What is it? 2142, yeah. Wally, I think that's new highs. No, it's close, though. This is my favorite thing in the world, guys. Like, calling out these moves, seeing all of you guys make, like, literally stupid amounts of money. And then we just go victory lap all day long and say, guys, I told you so. Keep doubting what we're doing in LTMP. I'm going to keep showing you guys proof that all of this is real every single day. I know it seems crazy. I know it does. Nobody should be able to be nailing these multi-hundred and multi-1000% trades as consistently as we do. But we do. How? The LTMP methodology. That's it. That's it. I'm happy with my decision on Baidu for now. They could always rip it next week. Very thrilled with what's happening on Walmart here, and also very thrilled with what's happening on Tesla, obviously. I love my job. Community gains, what else do we have? 450%, Daniel, nice. Dawn, 202%. What do we got in here on Anthony? $650 on Tesla, attaboy. Oh, do you want me to, hold on, Daniel. Do you want me to, hold on, I'm seeing if it's there. Oh, no, you're good now. I don't see an account number on that. I think you're good. You're good? I think you're good. 708% IONQ. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Today is the only day I'm proud to drive my Tesla. When did you give out Tesla? Don't see it in the watch list. It's on the streams. It's on the streams. I love your job too. Yeah, guys, we talk about, the problem is like a lot, like the new ones end up being on the streams. There's a lot of them that get sent in the watch list, but a lot of them are on the streams. And we talk about too many tickers for me to keep track of, and then just be like, okay, which one's it, you know? And you can see it in the chats too. Like everybody's talking about Tesla when it's breaking. It's like they're everywhere, you know? Way to go, team. Ridiculous. Yeah, you're not going to see these gains anywhere else, guys. Oh, you took it off and reposted it? Okay, good. Because I was going to delete it. I didn't know if you did that. Let's see. What else we got? 352% on Tesla from Dilly. He's up on one contract. Guys, $2 grand. He's up on Tesla right now. And some of you guys are saying that the first month on LTMP with 50% off isn't worth it, and then also the $79 a month, dude, it's nothing. That's why LTMP is going. Guys, I'm telling you, the prices are going up to $199 a month. Lock in the lower rate before it does that. There's gonna be 1 month where I just randomly do it. You saw what's his name? Earlier today. Let me see. Where was he? I forget his name, but there, Trayvon over here, he was like, well, it was this price, now it's this. Can I lock in the lower rate? The lower rate before? No, you can't. You guys have had more than enough time to hop in, and the price from here is going to continuously go up. 502% on Tesla, he's up 10 grand. Boom. Look at it, it's still going, guys. It's still going. What are we doing? What are we doing? Let's see, what's this? Dawn, there you go. There you go. 23% on TSLL. Great work, guys. Yeah, so this is also, again, it's the perfect time of the week to hop in too, because you have all weekend to go through the learning curriculum videos, and you can ask anybody. When it doesn't take very long to go through Swing Kings and get the point and get what you need out of it. And then I know I'll be traveling this weekend. So again, no stream Monday, but I'll be in the Discord with you guys on Monday morning. But over the weekend, if you guys have questions, like I'll be on my phone. I'll be able to answer for you guys if you need something. Any questions when you guys? Stressful is awesome. Thank you, Elon. Yeah, it's great. It's great, man. Great. Tesla's almost at 400. It hit 394. I saw that. Oh, man. Guys, I have like stuff I have to do today. You should have random 10-minute flash lock-in deals. Or I just take away the 50% off your first month code. How about that? I could do that too. Here's the other thing. This is the other thing I find interesting. It's like, I'm probably one of the only individuals out there, and I would say that I am, that I give you guys very, very fair rates for everything, and I always like to reward people that take action. Like everybody that bought the courses initially is in LTMP for free. So I'm always very fair with it, with everybody. I don't charge too much. I mean, it's going to go up, but I'm giving you guys all the opportunity to lock in the lower rate now. But the one thing that I will say is if somebody, and I'm not saying that you're doing this, but there's going to be a lot of people that are going to come in here now that are going to feel entitled to my knowledge. You are not entitled to my knowledge. The amount of time that I have spent doing this over the last 12 years, and all you have to do is pay a small fee to get a streamlined approach to just be able to do this in a day. So no, I'm sorry. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to, like, the prices are going to continuously go up. It's never going to be as cheap as it is right now. And if you think about this too, the amount of trades that I've handed out for free, like Tesla was out there for free. Baidu was out there for free if you guys wanted it. All you had to do was pay attention. You know? And I'm not saying that you're doing that. I'm just saying you're going to see this a lot with the people are going to start to get very jealous of what we're doing in LTMP. And it's okay. That's the point of it. It's like, this is the best place to come and learn how to operate in the market. There's nothing else like it, and it's going to cost. The costs are going to reflect that. But I'm still giving you guys an opportunity to get in at these lower rates. It's up to you and whether or not you see the value in it or not. I know it's there. Everybody in LTMP knows it's there. I show you guys in the streams all the time. I could go through community games again right now and show you. 911%. Johnny Ray, I don't know what that's on, but that's pretty ridiculous. So, and then again, the other thing is, like, I'm not in there upselling you guys. Like, I'm not in there saying, like, oh, prices are going to go up for people that are already in it. That's never going to happen. The only thing that we do have that could be considered an upsell is like the once a year mastermind that I do that isn't even related to trading. It's a college level education in finance and financial literacy, because that's something that a lot of people lack. I bought originally. It was very worth it just for the knowledge and entertainment. Not to mention the group is amazing. Just do it. SCB is awesome. Thanks, Christopher. I appreciate that. Wally's looking for new highs here. I have so much stuff I got to do today too. Like, I got to go to the airport, but I want to be victory lapping. That's what I want to do. I want to go victory lap on Twitter. So I'll throw the link in here for you guys again. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. If you miss it, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Sorry. I mean, I've been telling you guys for a while. I keep saying it all the time. I keep saying pay attention or pay a premium. Dude, use one indicator is so easy. I know it's. I mean, it's interesting. The method isn't novel, but the system with how to handle risk and manage TPs is what's the most powerful. Exactly. It's a very simple approach to operating in the market, guys. It's not hard. Once you see it, you're going to be like, wait, that's all you're doing? And I'm going to be like, yeah, dude. It's not hard. Epic week. Epic week, guys. What are my Wallies up right now? I'm curious. 50%? That's good. That's really good. Yeah, the only reason you need the trading view subscription is so you can place all the alerts. Right. Today's awesome, guys. It's just another testament to what we do around here. Another testament to what we do. Your Tesla 926 is up 233%. It's one contract. Would you sell or hold in the next week? If you have to ask the question, you know the answer. Cooper, you're up 233%, and it's one contract. If you have to ask, you probably know the answer. You know, if you can only really do one contract, that first TP is going to be your best friend. But you held through, which is good. But right now, I'd say it's probably time to, you know, what trading platform do I use? I like Webull, but you can use anything. Trading platform doesn't matter. Wally's starting to get a little movement here. Wally! Two tickers to the Discord. T and Uber. I think Uber had some bad news. I kind of want to look. I think I saw you put AT&T. It's not bad. It's not the best. The weekly on this one probably actually looks a lot better, Adrian. You're getting there. You're definitely getting there, but that's not perfect. Uber. Uber on the weekly looks interesting. I want to see how the daily looks, though. Daily looks good. Yeah, if you were to take this above here, I wouldn't hate it, but you also have to think there's a lot of noise in here, so you got to be a little worried around that 97.50 area. But Adrian, you're definitely... And Adrian, guys, is a new member. Like, he's new. He's already getting it. Daniel says, I missed a bunch of the trades this week and couldn't care less. Missed BX, Baidu, Walmart. Who cares? Exactly. UNH. Do you guys even remember UNH? That was... Okay, so let's just think about it. Like, the 1,000% trades from this week. We started off this week, 1,000% UNH. Congratulations. Then you guys hit 1,000% Warner Brothers, WBD. Then we come into yesterday, which was good. Nothing, I don't think... Or no, yesterday was WBD. Then there was TSM this week, which I ended up selling for like, what, 200%? And then what else was there? Then today, Tesla, 1,000%, IONQ 1,000%, and we might even have RGTI. So UNH, WBD, Tesla, RGTI, or IONQ, and potentially RGTI. That is 5 10x trades in a week. In a week. You literally, guys, could have just traded this week and you're done for the year. Do you guys understand how powerful this is? Why everybody loves LTMP? Are you getting it yet? It'll click for you at some point. Hopefully it clicks before it's too late. Wally looking really good here. These are probably getting a little snappy. Let's see. 65%, yeah. So my runners on Tesla are still up 167%. That's good. Tessie's fading a little, but Wally, my first target is 104.70. GLD2. Gold was a little different. Gold I didn't buy a lot of it. I bought $22,000 worth of shares in the 217, so I'm looking good on this, but you guys traded the short dated options on this weekly breakout and made 750%. Christopher, so a lot of them were on the UNH was on there, I think. UNH was on there. It should have been if it wasn't. I'm pretty sure it was. A-Lab was also this week, 190%. BX was on there. IBM, is UNH on there? Walmart is actually on there. Is UNH on there? No, UNH isn't on there. A lot of these we talk about on the streams. And there's so many tickers that we talk about that it's impossible for me. If you have like questions, like just ask in the group like what the other ones are and they'll tell you. You can also look in the group when they're breaking and people will just be like, oh, this one, you know? Palantir. Well, yeah, Palantir, I mean, what was it? Palantir and there was another basin break. Hims. Palantir I cut for a tiny gain. Same thing with Hims. So awesome work this week, guys. We're going to keep it going. Next week is going to be fun with FOMC, obviously, especially after. This is another thing I will say. Again, I don't want you guys getting scared of data or big events. Like, we can trade small around them. But again, after the performance that I've seen all of you guys have this week, I would say that you want to be trading a little bit even smaller next week, protecting your capital. And if we hit a big one next week, that's great. We can continue to stack up these gains. But if not, you're not giving back a significant portion of the gains that we all made this week. That's the important part of all of this, guys, is making sure. Like, here's the thing. Every single one. The easy part, guys, of this is hitting the 1,000% trades. It sounds crazy. That's the easy part. The hard part is keeping it. Community gains is lit. Yeah, dude, it's ridiculous right now. What else we got? Yeah, it's 911%, 200%. I mean, it's just ridiculous. There's too many of these to count. So Wally looking good. Tessie fading a little bit there, but that's fine. I'm going to hold the runners for a little bit. Again, I'm kind of just going to be like, if we start fading back, I'll just cut them. But like Tessie's looking great overall. I'm going to hold that into next week. Apple. Oops. No, Apple's not a setup. Not a setup. I'd love for Wally to get over 104 today. That'd be great. I slung it a little. I slung my Wallies a little bit. So, no YouTube videos for you guys this weekend. I'm traveling. I'm going to go have some fun. No stream Monday. But I'll be back streaming Tuesday. And I'll be in the Discord with you guys in the morning. Docu. That was another interesting one, I think. Yeah, it looks good. I almost want to lock in the rest of Tesla, but I don't, you know. I want to let it rip to 420 because that's one that, like, if it continues here, guys, oh my God, this could be game-changing for everybody involved. So congratulations to everybody in it. Wally looks good. Baidu was good. I mean, we sold it way higher than it's trading at right now, so made the right decision on that one, it looks like, so far. Again, it could always be another one of those examples where it just, like, it wants to have some drama and then it rips back up, and that's fine with me. I'll take my gains and run. Still very, very solid gains on that one, guys. But let's see, folks, I have a lot of stuff I got to get to today before I leave, so we are going to end the stream a little bit early today. amazing work, guys. I'm very, very proud of all of you guys in LTMP. Here's the link to join. Again, use code September, get 50% off your first month, and you're going to be able to lock in this low rate right now before prices go up significantly. I've told you guys that prices are going to go up on LTMP to $199 a month. That's where they're going. So again, though, when you join, and that price you join at is the price you pay, it'll never go up on you. So again, lock in the lower rate. I'm just going to keep doing this. Like, this is something that is going to continue to happen, and I don't know how many more of these you guys need to see. There's probably been, honestly, in the last 2 months, I would say 50 trades that are just absolutely ridiculous for everybody. So, again, guys, hit that like button on the way out. I'm going to be recording quickly some Instagram and TikTok videos for you guys. So, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram or Twitter, TikTok, make sure you guys are. ShortTheVix1, I think, on both of them. I'll probably post some of them as YouTube shorts as well, so get ready for that. But at the end of the day, guys, nobody else is showcasing the consistent level of ungodly results of their students like I am. If they had these types of results, they would be showing you like I am. And it's as simple as that. I'm going to keep giving you guys the best trades in the market, putting you guys in a position to have all the success in the world that you guys deserve. And I cannot wait to see what the rest of this year brings, next year, and what we're going to continue doing. So, folks, I will see you guys later. Have a great weekend. If you guys have any questions on the course curriculum videos when you guys get into LTMP, just let me know. Other than that, peace.